This is for informational purposes only. For medical advice or diagnosis, consult a professional. 20 forgotten medicinal plants. Materials list: calendula, dried flowers, carrier oil, and beeswax. Sea buckthorn, berries or seeds. Comfrey, dried root or leaves, carrier oil, and beeswax. Mullein, dried leaves and cheesecloth. Plantain, fresh or dried leaves. Yarrow, fresh leaves or dried aerial parts. Self-heal, fresh or dried plant. Agrimony, dried aerial parts. White horehound, dried aerial parts and honey. Boneset, dried leaves and flowers. Blue vervain, dried aerial parts. Elecampane, dried roots. Toothache plant, fresh flowers or leaves. Oregon grape, yellow inner bark of roots or stems. Yellow dock, dried root. Usnea, fresh lichen and alcohol. Barberry, yellow inner bark of roots or stems. Red clover, dried flower heads. Meadowsweet, dried flowers and leaves. The blueprint. 1. Wound care. Infuse calendula in oil for a healing salve. Apply crushed fresh plantain or yarrow directly to stop bleeding and stings. 2. Respiratory support. Steep mullein leaves and strain through cheesecloth for lung congestion. Use white horehound for productive coughs and elecampane root decoctions for deep lung infections. 3. Pain and fever. Steep meadowsweet for aspirin-like relief without stomach upset. Drink hot boneset tea at the first sign of flu. Chew toothache plant flowers for instant oral numbing. 4. Skin and mucous membranes. Use sea buckthorn oil for dry tissue, Oregon grape salve for psoriasis, and red clover tea for eczema or menopausal relief. 5. Nerve and digestion. Drink blue vervain tea to calm the nervous system. Use yellow dock root for liver and digestive support. Gargle self-heal or agrimony tea for sore throats. 6. Infection defense. Apply moistened usnea to wounds as a wilderness antibiotic. Use barberry extracts for antimicrobial and digestive support. 7. External only rule. Apply comfrey exclusively as an external salve for injuries. Never ingest. Which of these remedies are you already using, and which ones do you plan to try in the future? Check the comments for 100% free resources and join our school community. Like, share, subscribe, and let your light shine.